Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can transform your standard t-shirt designs and upload them on Displate. And the reason you need to transform your designs is because when you have when you have your standard t-shirt designs, which are basically 4500 by 5400, you're not able to upload them on Displate because Displate uses their own dimensions for their posters. Okay, and so the dimensions on display that you need to have are 2900 by 4060 pixels. Okay, but if you try to use your standard t-shirt designs, which have their own dimensions, like for example, I have this cute dog here, which have the standard dimensions. Well, you cannot really upload them on Display because it doesn't have the right dimensions. Okay, and so basically it says, hey, something is wrong, you cannot upload this because it doesn't meet the requirements, the dimensions requirements. Okay, and so there are a few things that you can do to solve this problem, and I'm gonna use Microsoft Designer here, but you can also use Canva. I love using Microsoft Designer because it's completely free and it's a software that is still in development. But I'm getting into too much details here. Okay, so what you can do here in Microsoft Designer is simply create a new project, and then you can start with a blank design and you can choose a custom size. And in Canva you can also choose your own custom size. So here, since in Microsoft Designer you kind of have to watch out because you cannot create designs that are higher than 5000, but in this case with Microsoft Designer and Displate it works fine. Okay, so here it's 2900 by 4060. So in this case, it's below 5000, so it's great. So those are the right dimensions to create a display design. So now I can just take back my designs that I have. I can just slide it in, and then you can set it as the background. And there you go, okay? By setting the image as the background, it automatically puts the right dimensions, and then you can simply download this. I would recommend as a JPEG. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that right now this is a black design, but in other cases this could be a white design. So what you can do also is simply change the color of the background. Okay, in this case it's not really needed, but sometimes you might have a design that looks better on a black background, so you might need to change the color of the background. Okay, but in this case, the white background looks better, so I'm gonna keep that. So I'm gonna set as background, and then I can download this as a JPEG. Okay, so now that I have the right dimensions, I can come back here and display it and simply drag it in, and now I'm able to upload it. Okay, and so I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, peace.